today's operating room environment, hospitals and surgeons are being asked to do more with less, while being pushed to deliver the very best patient outcomes possible. Both need help. Surgical assistants provide a cost-effective solution to these ever-increasing demands. The medical community at large has agreed that the value received and the results obtained are increased when surgical assistants are present on surgical teams. In fact, legislators from the local through federal levels of government are becoming increasingly aware of the benefits that surgical assistants provide to healthcare. We recently traveled the country to interview some of the leading healthcare experts to ask them why they feel surgical assistants are such a critical part of their surgical success.
Surgery is a team sport, and you don't do it alone. So in my opinion, a surgical assistant is an invaluable team member.
Our surgeons, frankly, will not work without them. They are that important to the surgeons. If I have a surgeon that is getting ready to do surgery and I don't have a surgical assistant, they will not start.
I often talk about them as being the right hand or one of the right hands for the surgeon in the ORs.
We start out before the case begins, helping getting everything ready, working with the rest of the staff.
My assistant is there protecting the nerve while I take care of the disc problem or whichever condition we are treating. So they're integral, their assistance is invaluable to me.
I rely a great deal on that assistant to be my eyes and ears and sometimes hands.
To put the dressings on, move the patient back to the stretcher so that they then can go to the recovery room.
As physicians have had medicine change around them, the implementation of electronic health records and other things that now take their time, I think part of the frustration is I want to be taking care of patients, I want to be operating on patients. The addition of surgical assistants has really helped them to do that.
When it comes to efficiently creating clinical and financial successful surgical outcomes, surgical assistants can and need to be part of the equation. Many of the nation's leading hospitals and surgeons consider surgical assistants an invaluable part of their team, and you should too.